What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today...
Oh, who loves the flow of this? Sure. The emotion, the power. Then it just explodes. Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today we're going to be reacting to Red Velvet's Bulldozer, Wings, and Scenery. So, guys, we are back with some more Red Velvet. We are finally getting into the last couple of B-sides from their Chill Kill album. These being Bulldozer, Wings, and Scenery. Quite a quite a range of names. Bulldozer feels like it's going to be something pretty hard-hitting, much like a bulldozer is. It's something where we're coming to destroy, right? Wings feels very free. It feels like we're doing something that has freedom within it. And to be fair, Scenery and Wings might actually fit very well together, at least from the title, because, you know, when you get wings, you get to fly, and from wherever you are flying, you probably have a pretty good scenery to look at. But I'm excited to see what these songs are all about. So I'm thinking, let's get right into the first one, Red Velvet's Bulldozer.
Once upon a time 정해진 것들이 있대 규칙들을 깨부수는 액션 반전 있는 베리 원한다면
Starting with a dope rap from Yeti. Oh. Ah, okay. The different vocals into it's incredible. Damn! Wow! What can I break? Maybe you can't. Damn, that's actually dope. I think this whole album has just been a perfect showcase of what Red Velvet is all about. In terms of style. Hey. Wow! Pain. What can I break? Ooh, that's catchy though. That's really something you want to sing along to. Oh, who's in the background here? Joy? Ow. It feels like it's all of them in the background doing different stuff. Oh wow, that's it. That's man, that felt so damn short. 2 minutes and 40 seconds, to be fair, that is quite short, but damn, Red Velvet with Bulldozer, a different kind of hard-hitting than what I was expecting, but definitely still hard-hitting. It's got that feeling of a bulldozer that's just kind of driving towards us, you know? It's an unstoppable, immovable bulldozer. It's trying to go, it goes through any kind of wall, you know? And I like that a lot. God damn, the vocal showcase here is incredible. Despite the song being a pretty, you know, instrumentally heavy song, we are still very, very aware of the vocal and the vocal power that is shown throughout, which I absolutely love. The ad-libs are still there. They're still very, very present, and they actually add onto the instrumental quite a lot, adding onto that powerful kind of hardness of that instrumental. That's super, super cool to me. And man, we like right from the get-go, we're starting well off with Yeti going with a cooler rap, and then it's slowly just like a blend of vocals and raps from the different members. And even when we get into the chorus parts and we have these ad-libs in the background, it sounds like a mix of all of them trying to kind of or kind of, you know, tipping in a little bit with an ad-lib here and there, and I really, really like that. But we've got more to check out. Let's get right into the next one, Wings. See, this is what it's all about. Oh, hey. Gorgeous vocals. Gorgeous vocals. Damn. Love the vocal progression there. Wow, it's gorgeous. Wow. Really love the instrumental there. Joy, come on, man. Wow, the vocal stuff here is gorgeous. I love how Joy was playing around with the vocals there. Alright. Get the power. Yes, Wendy. Hey, Sogi. Wow! Stop it, Wendy! Damn! Wow, that was absolutely incredible. Red Velvet with Wings there. What a gorgeous, gorgeous song. It wasn't, you know, wasn't the freedom concept that I thought it would be. Instead, well, it's still, even though it wasn't the freedom concept, it still very much had the beauty of that freedom, you know? It was us flying and getting a kind of that kind of angelic voice that we're hearing while we're flying up high, you know what I mean? That was incredible. Right from the get-go, we have something magical going on. It feels ethereal throughout all of this song. The way that they're harmonizing, you know, it's the red velvet that we know and love. It's the red velvet that harmonizes. It's the red velvet that showcases all 5 of their vocals in perfect succession, and I absolutely love that. That was such a gorgeous show off throughout all of this song when it just comes to absolute vocals, and I love it. I really, really do love it. I feel like it might actually be one of my favorite songs purely from the actual vocal talent that we get showcased within the song. God damn, Red Velvet, you are doing God's work right here, and in more sense than one, because like just the feeling here, it feels angelic. It feels like these are 5 angels that have been sent down, and they're just, you know, flying around singing for us. God damn. But we've got more to check out. The last song of the album, the last song of this video, Scenery. Might be going even further with the etherealness. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that background, wow. Gorgeous ballad like R&B-like song here. Slow. Emotion. Wow. 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 Incredible. Wow. The brightness we're going towards. Oh, and then sliding onto the deep. Oh. That was a lovely way to move around the vocals. Little extra instrumental power added to it. They need to stop. They need to stop. Wow, that was Red Velvet's Scenery. God damn. this is as gorgeous as you would expect it to be, you know? It's when you get a song that's titled Scenery, you only really have, there's only one thought in your mind, and that's like the most beautiful scenery that you can think of. I feel like that's just the way it is with the word scenery. It's like immediately you think of something that's beautiful. You're standing at some kind of like pavilion or something like that, like some kind of overcropping. You're looking out over the beautiful scenery. Maybe there's a lake, maybe it's some kind of valley with mountains and with greenery and animals frolicking around. Like that's what you're thinking about. The most beautiful scene you can think about. That's what you get when you think about scenery, and that's exactly how it is how the song is. You know, you think that's, instead of thinking of a scenery, you're thinking of a song. Imagine you have to think of a beautiful song. This is the song you think of. This is the vocals you think of. This is the composition you think of. It's absolutely gorgeous. Again, the vocal prowess of these girls are incredible, or is incredible. It's so damn nice to listen to the music because they just have this really nice softness to them, while also being ethereal, while also being gorgeous, while having this beautiful vocal that you can just partake in, something you can relax to, something you can close your eyes to, and you can just enjoy it. You know, you can actually just sit back, relax, and enjoy, and I love that. Yeah, guys, that was Red Velvet's Bulldozer, Wings, and Scenery. What a gorgeous album this has been. Chill kill, goddamn. Like, I feel like this album is such a good description of what Red Velvet is about as a sound, you know? I love the music that they've conveyed in this album, and I feel like it perfectly describes, especially the Velvet part of Red Velvet, you know? This more mature side, this R&B ballad, this dark side even, the darker side that we've had only really in a lingering part in the early music videos, where we have a darkness within it, but a lot of it is kind of, you know, put behind a lot of the other stuff. It's dark, but it's like, you know, it's a hidden darkness. Now it's a little bit more on the nose, but it's still the same Red Velvet who's singing, and I absolutely love that. Absolutely gorgeous songs. Have Bulldozer with a little extra power, Wings that has got that, well, not the wings of freedom that I was thinking, but still an incredible song, and then Scenery, which is like probably one of the most gorgeous songs I've heard as of late. It's goddamn beautiful. But let me know what you guys thought about Red Velvet's Bulldozer, Wings, and Scenery down in the comments below, and I guess I'll see you guys next time.